Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best hardwood floor restorer reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Hardwood Products Wood Polish and Conditioner. The soft finish of Hardwood Products Wood Polish and Conditioner adds an attractive shine to even badly scuffed hardwood floors. Combining beeswax and carnauba wax, floors are given a protective coating and a golden warmth. Hardwood products use an original blend of beeswax, carnauba wax, orange oil, and mineral oil to nourish the wood, as well as add an attractive finish. These oils sink into the wood, continuing to feed and condition it after the initial application. This keeps the woods from drying out, so the glow is maintained for longer. The wood polish and conditioner is best used after applying a coating of Hardwood Products Restore Finish. The Restore Finish works to fill scratches and marks in the wood, giving an even surface. The polish and conditioner then adds shine and feeds the wood to prevent fading. Number 2. Our second best pick is Weiman Wood Floor Polish and Restorer. Weiman is a respected and recognized brand, known for creating high-quality cleaning and polishing products. The Weiman Wood Floor Polish and Restorer has been a top choice for many homeowners looking to care for their hardwood floors. The reason Weiman has become a leading brand in hardwood floor restorers is that they consistently create products that work. The Wood Floor Polish and Restorer fills in scratches, brightens dull patches, and leaves an impeccable shine. It's also easy to use. Apply the polish with a microfiber cloth, using an even coating across the floor. Wait for it to dry, and then enjoy your newly restored floor. Or add a second coat, for an even greater shine. But the application isn't the end of it. Weiman Wood Floor Polish works to protect the floors from additional scratches. The long-lasting polish offers protection, so you don't need regular applications. Number 3. Our third best pick is Quick Shine High Traffic Hardwood Floor Luster and Polish. Quick Shine Floor Luster enhances the beauty of your wood floors using a formula fortified with pure carnauba. Carnauba is an all-natural plant-based wax that can be used to add shine, protection, and polish to a sealed hardwood floor. What's more important perhaps isn't what's in the polish, it's what's left out. There's no aluminum, ammonia, formaldehyde, fragrance, parabens, or phthalates in Quick Shine. Non-toxic and with no residue, Quick Shine is a safe choice for use in your home. Application is easy with a floor mop, and Quick Shine dries to a high gloss finish in just 30 minutes. It can be used all across the floor, even on high traffic paths, with extra layers of application improving the shine. Quick Shine finishes with a rich glow, which emphasizes the beauty of a hardwood floor, adding a light layer of protection to the surface of the floor, as well as shine. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Scott's Liquid Gold Restore. Scott's Liquid Gold sounds like something you want to have for your floors. Although it can't leave the shine of the precious metal, an application can have an impressive finish. Scott's Liquid Gold is loved by customers for the ease of application and the quality finish you get for a good price. With very little effort, Scott's Liquid Gold can have your hardwood floors looking shiny and new. Simply spray it on the wood, spread evenly with a damp sponge mop, and leave it to dry. The result is an enhancement that also protects your floors. Scott's Liquid Gold brings out the natural warmth of wood, with a high shine finish and no build-up. With a bright finish that fills shallow scratches and brings life back to dull patches, Scott's Liquid Gold is a fantastic way to revitalize a hardwood floor. Much cheaper and easier than refinishing, with similar results. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is ProShot Industrial Renewing Floor Restorer. If you find you've tried everything you can to refresh your hardwood floors, and nothing seems to work, then ProShot Industrial Renewing Floor Restorer could be what you need. The ProShot is a hardwood floor restorer designed for industrial use. Apply it to floors with even an excessive amount of wear and tear, and it can restore them to almost as good as new. The hard-working formula gets into the scratches to fill them, and adds a dazzling shine to even the dullest of spots. It's easy to use the ProShot, which simply has to be applied to the floor evenly and left to dry. It dries to a clear finish, creating a protective layer on the hardwood floor that can last for months. With an application or two of ProShine, your floors can be as shiny and reflective as a mirror, with no risk of slipping. And even with heavy usage, it won't need to be reapplied for months. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.